Good morning. All right, if I could have everybody please stand for the national anthem, which will be performed by Chris Pierce.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
We are very happy to welcome you all here to our naturalization ceremony here at the Centennial Village Museum. My name is Andy Lambrecht. I'm the Field Office Director with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services Denver Field Office. And it is an honor to be here. And we are very excited to be hosting this ceremony here at the Centennial Village Museum for the 10th straight year. So this is one of the ceremonies that not even COVID was able to hold us back. We've held a ceremony here in this location, but really this is spearheaded by our friends at the High Plains Library District. They are the group. Yes, absolutely.
Say good morning and welcome to friends, family, officials, supporters, and of course, most notably, our soon-to-be new Americans. Just like Andy said, I'm Matthew Hort. I'm the Executive Director for the district, and I can only imagine what each one of you has gone through to be here today. Not just the rain right now, but the dedication and the hard work that you've all put into that. It's just truly amazing and a testament to your determination.
Embrace your heritage, cherish your roots, and share your unique perspectives with your fellow citizens. By doing so, you will also help strengthen the bonds that hold us all together as a nation.
Thank you. As the daughter of immigrants, I have a deep appreciation for all that new citizens bring to our community by working hard and sharing their perspectives. This triumph is one to be very proud of. I am confident that the same overwhelming sense of pride resides in you and in your loved ones as each one of you takes the step to achieve your own versions of the American dream.
In the years ahead, I hope you'll remember what makes you American is not how you speak or how you dress or how you pray, if you pray at all. What makes you American is what you believe in: the right to free speech, the freedom of the press, the rule of law, and the power of everyday citizens to shape our future through our democracy. America endures in those beliefs, carried on generation after generation by people like you. Because in the end, more than our military or economy, more than our natural beauty or towering skyscrapers, you are what makes America exceptional.
Surely your friends and family are swelling with pride right now, as is the state of Colorado. Being a citizen of the United States comes with the responsibility of engaging in your communities, taking care of others, and offering your virtues to help lift up our society. I know you will all do your part to help make our country a better place.
Our nation thrives when we stand united. We are strongest when we all work together. Congratulations on becoming citizens of the United States of America. I celebrate the rich cultural diversity you bring to this country. I know you will fully embrace the opportunities available to you and actively contribute to shaping a promising future for our country, just as you have embraced the journey to achieving citizenship in this great country. Once again, congratulations.
After all your hard work and the time that you've put in, the day is finally here. I want to congratulate you all on becoming citizens this morning.
And I am immigrant. And sometimes it is difficult for people to see us. And I want you to be seen. I want to make sure that you know that you matter in this country. You made it. You made it. I acknowledge your hard work. I admire your hard work today. You overcome your fears. You have to face many challenges before you get here and be seated in these chairs.
So over the years, there have been 9 compelling keynote speakers that have stood at this podium before me. Among them, a university president, several judges, one from the Colorado Supreme Court, a school board member, the state treasurer, the lieutenant governor of Colorado, and just like we just heard from Araceli a few minutes ago, last year, a naturalized citizen. What could I possibly say after so many wise and thoughtful people have spoken to the group before? They've spoken on the Constitution, its amendments, the importance of the rule of law, the intentions of our nation's founders, the significance of the Declaration of Independence. I mean, what else is there except this? Thank you.
We are almost to the point where you are going to take that final step in the process and in this journey in becoming Americans. There's one more thing that we need to do first, though, and that is to recognize where each of you come from. And today, we have 26 new citizens represented by 20 countries. So it's a really incredible amount of diversity that we have here today. So what we're going to do is when I call your country out, if you would please stand. This is a really nice opportunity for a photo, so if you want to turn and wave, maybe wave your flag. We'll go, I think it's in alphabetical order, so be ready to click that photo while the person you're here to support stands out from the group of new citizens. So, all right, our first person today, I should have a person from Australia. Benin. Burma. Colombia. Congo Kinshasa. Cuba. Djibouti. Eritrea. Ethiopia. Kazakhstan. Mauritius. Mexico. Nepal. Philippines. South Africa. Taiwan. Ukraine. United Kingdom. Venezuela. And Vietnam. All right, that's 26 new citizens from 20 different countries. Let's have a big round of applause for all countries represented. And now it is my privilege to introduce the Deputy District Director for U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, Ms. Christy Goldinger, to administer the Oath of Allegiance.
I'll give our special guests time so they can get to a place if they want to see you too. All right, ready? I hereby declare on oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state or sovereignty, of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and the laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by the law, that I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by the law, that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by the law, and that I take this obligation freely without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, you are citizens of the United States. You may have a seat.
Our first new citizen of the ceremony is Wen Du Booley. Woohoo! It's like being Miss America.
Oh yeah, yeah. She was a ooh. Woo-hoo.
Tadisi Waldu Taklu. Woohoo! Peter John Hetherington. Woohoo! Woohoo! Bimala Shrestha. Woohoo! Woohoo! Viet Hugh Nguyen. Nagore Safuku. Woohoo! Michael Cecil Rouse. Woohoo! Juan Jose Rafael Martinez. Woohoo! Urvasi Chitra Motama Saminada Chete. Hugo Alejandro Santana Yedo.
Torres. Leila Cortez Torres. Mario Humberto Perez Velos. Michelle Topado DeRocher. Gide Tetskabar Gabroske. Deborah Ann Denton. Katarina Tart. Hussein Jing Lee. Woo! Matureen Afaton. Woohoo! Mohammed Qasim bin Nurul Islam. Nardos Hibana Haramo. Rejwan Ishtanova Tulip Kalivia. Hector Armado Barraza Gallegos. Dan Nyak Vo. Asta Topa. And Ibrahim Soliman Dirai. It's a cartoon episode. Yay! Way better! Woo-hoo. Ladies and gentlemen, the newest citizens of the United States of America. So, wow, I think that we have come here to do what we came here to do today, and you had a choice. And so we are honored and grateful that you chose to adopt us. And my wish and our wish for you is that whatever dream or hope that you had in your mind that brought you to to the chair that you're sitting in today, go get it. Go get it. Nothing can stop you. You can make America the dream that you want it to be, and that's what we want for you today. And so with that, we are going to close this ceremony with America the Beautiful, sung by Chris Pierce. Won't you join us?
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountains majesties above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Congratulations.
That concludes our ceremony.